Happy anniversary to our nation's civil service. This September, we celebrate the accomplishments of Filipino civil servants who play an essential role in our national life. From government think tanks where public policies are crafted, to frontline services where they interface with the public, our government professionals serve as the important link that connects our government and our people. Lalong mahalaga ang pagkikilalang ito ngayon sa harap ng mga hamon ng pandaigdigang ekonomiya at mga ligalig sa ilang sulok ng bansa. Kailangan ngayon ng taong bayan ang pagsulong at pagtangkol ng pamahalaan. Nagpupugay tayo sa mga kawanit opisyal na tapat at masigasig na tumutugon sa panawagan ng sambayanan. Our faithful civil servants have been behind every stride, every challenge, and every triumph that we have faced as a people, tirelessly working to provide service to the people and working to realize the dreams and aspirations of an entire nation through the different programs and projects that they are entrusted to implement. A strong and growing economy has been the central pillar we have labored together to create to help ensure peace, order, and stability in our country. And it is paying off. Our economy is more resilient today than ever before. We have created almost 7 million jobs in 7 years. Investments continue to come in despite continued volatility in the global markets. As a result of our economic turnaround, we're also able to invest in key sectors to cushion the harsh impact of high prices for food and fuel on our poor. In addition, we're investing in modernizing infrastructure like roads and bridges on an unprecedented scale. We're also investing in expanded education, healthcare, and other social services. All the while, we are balancing these vital investments with a commitment to meet our fiscal obligations and balance our budget in 2010. It is time that a grateful nation recognizes and thanks our civil servants for their service. Ngayong Setyembre, sumaludo tayo sa lahat ng lingkod bayang Pinoy. Pasalamatan natin sila sa kanilang paglilingkod sa bayan. Kilalanin natin ang mga sakripisyong kanilang pinagdadaanan upang matamo ang tagumpay para sa ating lahat. Many things are left to be done. Congratulations to the Civil Service Commission for its endeavors to uplift the morale, efficiency, responsiveness, courtesy, and integrity of our servants nationwide. Let's continue to work hard together to fulfill our Philippine Reform Agenda. Mabuhay ang serbisyo sibil ng Pilipinas!